Hey lovelies, it's been a minute, but I'm back. I'm just going to teach you quickly how to do a foolproof method of making white rice. So in my strainer here, as you know, I like to wash my rice in my strainer because I can just get it done properly. I've got 2 teacups of rice, or 592 grams, weighed it for you guys. And then over here in my pot, it's on the heat, I've got literally 4 teacups of water, or you can convert that 1350 ml of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 4 tablespoons of oil. So I'm just going to leave that on the heat to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'll be back. Okay, so just to show you, my water's now come to a boil. It's literally bubbling away. So I'm going to take the lid off. I'm just going to get my rice. I'm going to head over to the sink and wash the rice, and then I'll be back. So for those of you who don't know how I actually wash my rice in a strainer, it's pretty simple and straightforward. You can actually check out my rice and peas video, which shows you in detail. So here I have my rice, it's been washed, as you can see, water's dripping through there. And I've drained it as well, so I'm going to take it over now into the pot, which is still bubbling, and tip it out in there. Don't mind that. I'm just going to give it a little mix. I'm going to put my lid back on, let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to switch it over to the lowest heat possible, and then I'm going to turn it right down and just leave it to steam. So for now, I'm just going to let it get to a boil, and then I'll show you all of that. Right, so it's boiling away nicely. As you can see, there's individual grains popping up to the surface. So I've literally lit my smallest burner and turned it down to the lowest possible heat that it can go on. So I'm just gonna transfer this over, turn off the big burner, and then just gonna give it a little mix. And then just gonna put the cover back on, leave it, and then it's just gonna steam until it's ready. You'll see when it's ready, but I'll give you a view of what it looks like when it's actually ready. See you guys when it's done. Right guys, so it's been 30 minutes now. I've just left the rice on the lowest heat possible, as you can see, to just do its thing. And this is the result. Alright, so there you go. I just fluff it for you so you can see exactly what I'm working with. And literally, if you just follow the method that I've given you, along with the method of doing 2 parts water, 1 part rice, you will get your perfect fluffy white rice every time. If you want your rice dry, I know a lot of people prefer their rice grains a bit more, I don't know, dry and crispy like, to say the least. You obviously add less water, and then that will give you that result. But if you prefer your rice to be cooked like this, how it should be, then there you go. For every part rice you use 2 parts water. So literally any cup you can use. If you use a teacup, if you use a normal glass cup, any sort of cup you use, you just do 1 of that, and 1 of that with rice, and 2 of that of water, and that's it. And there you have it, white rice. Have a good day.